Hi guys, what's up? Hope you all are doing really well. Thank you so much for watching my videos. It means a lot to me. If this is the first time you're looking at this face, hi, I am Palash Roy and we talk about fashion, lifestyle and makeup on this channel. So today we are going to recreate a look by Makeup Metamorphosis, which is basically a fence on your face. So we are going to recreate this look today on my face and let's see how does it work. Without any further ado, let's just get into the video. At first, I'm going to moisturize my face, which is really important. Then I'm using my foundation and dotting it onto the center of my face. Using a Blueberry Beauty Fuzz, I'm going to blend the foundation in the center of the face and not dragging it much towards the outer side. Using a translucent setting powder, I'm going to set the foundation. Now I'm taking a black eye kajal pencil and drawing the outline of the design that we are going to create. You don't really have to be perfect with the outlines. Use a brush to guide yourself to draw some straight lines which will act as guides for you later when you are going to use paint to create these straight lines of the fences. What I am doing is I'm just using this brush and guiding myself to draw some dots with the kajal pencil. Take some maroon eyeshadow and apply it onto the lower lash line and to your lids. This will create an intense eye look and will give a dull effect to your eyes, which is really important for the entire makeup look. Don't forget to blend the eyeshadow and smoke the corners. Next, I'm going to fill in my eyebrows with some black eyeshadow so that they are more visible when the entire design is completed. I'm using a fluffy packing brush and just packing black eyeshadow onto the periphery of the design that I have marked. We are doing this to create some shadows so that the design looks that it is coming from beneath my skin. Using the same eyeshadow brush, I'm going to blend the black so that no harsh lines are visible. You don't really have to be perfect with the shape of the design because it is a tear out look, and the more shaky it is, the more natural it will look. Next, I'm taking a pale brown shade as my transition shade and blending it out with the edges of the black so that we can add some depth to the design. Use a fluffy eyeshadow brush to blend the edges of the black corners. Using the brown eyeshadow, I'm going to blend the edges of the black design that we have marked to give it some depth. This transition color will help you to give a more intense and natural look to the design. Next, I'm taking a packing eyeshadow brush and with the same black eyeshadow that I've used earlier, I'm going to pack this eyeshadow onto the periphery of the design to give it some more depth. Try to be as close as possible to the marked areas that you have drawn. With the eyeshadow blending brush that I used earlier, I'm going to blend the stark edges of the black eyeshadow that we have just stamped on. Now I am starting to draw the straight lines with the help of the paint. I am using the guidelines that I have drawn earlier. I'm just dotting the black paint first and then trying to create a straight line with the help of the dotted lines. Don't worry if you mess up a little, because it is not going to look bad, because this is not about perfection, this is about creativity. Use the guidelines that you have drawn before and with the paint draw the entire fences. Do not forget to make the loops of the fences, because this is the thing that is going to make it look more naturalistic and real. Drawing straight lines are not that easy on a non-straight surface like face, so don't worry about the lines. With some practice, you will be definitely able to do it. Next, I'm taking a white paint to create the reflection on the fences. I'm just applying very little amount with a very fine brush onto the edges of the blacks that we have drawn. Then I'm taking a cotton pad and some makeup remover to clean the edges of the design. So if you have messed up anywhere, you can clean it right now. I'm using the same kajal pencil and just outlining the design to give it some more depth. With the help of a brown eyeshadow, which is a warm shade, I'm going to create the shadows of the tear out look that we have drawn, and I'm just going to apply this brown eyeshadow on the outer side of the marked periphery. You don't have to be really worried about the blending, because it's fine if it is not blended. Then I'm using white paint and a very fine brush to just draw very faint lines onto the outside of the black area to give it some reflection and depth. Pat the design later so that the whites are not much visible. Using the same eye kajal pencil, I'm just going to draw black fainted lines in between the brown eyeshadow that we have just applied to give it some depth. Now we are creating the shadows of the fences that we have drawn. So draw straight lines underneath the lines you have painted on the face. Don't worry about them to be dotted or not straight, because we are going to blend it later. Using the same eyeshadow brush that I used for blending the blacks, I'm going to blend these lines, making it more soft so that it looks more natural. Next, I'm just going to draw 2 dots onto the sides, and with the help of black paint, I'm going to paint it. Last, I'm going to line up my mascara for some fuller lashes. And we are done. So this is the final look we have created. I loved creating this look, and it is very difficult to draw straight lines, as you have already seen me drawing straight lines on my face, which is not a straight surface. It is actually very difficult to draw straight lines on a non-straight surface, and hence we have come to the end of the video, and this is the final look. Hope you all liked it. This is a very quick and easy tutorial for your Halloween makeup look. If you guys enjoyed watching the video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it with your friends. And do not forget to press the bell icon below so that you're always notified whenever I post. Thank you so much for watching. Love you all. See ya. Bye.